Hello everybody, welcome back to Johnson Family Times. It is a windy day, so I hope you can hear me just fine. Hope there's not too much wind noise. Layla, how's it going?
Good.
Good. So it's the first time we've done this in a while, so this is more training.
We have a
than anything.
toaster.
And we have the Emily and the T.
Hey.
Hey. Hey T. Yeah. And yes, so our Jeep took a mega dump. Pictures on the screen. Here is our new Scion XB. It is a 2005 model. It's got some nice custom body work right there. And for the most part, it is a nice little car. It won't like directly replace the Jeep, but it is a nice car. And anyway, so today we are at Anderson Farm County Park in Dane County. It's just a little less than a mile loop on some nice gravelly trails. So it's just gonna be a quick one today, but we'll also update you to some news that's going on in our family and such. So see you soon. So we're finding these jugs. Apparently they are tapping the trees for their sap.
That just looks like water.
And yeah, that's just water. At first we thought this one was overflowing. It is not. That is just water. Aw, you can get that anywhere.
Sky, the ground. So I'm no scientist, but see that weird shell formation? I think that's a fossil.
Oh,
Keeping it.
okay.
I don't think I want to step in that.
I think if we just get past this part, it looks fine, right? Okay.
Going across.
Go, Leela. Okay. So the trail doesn't end right there. It goes this way. It's kind of squishy. Squishy. Emily's far ahead. Hey, T.
Paw print.
What?
That's a large paw print.
You found a large paw print.
Where?
Where?
In the mud going up this tree.
Oh, yep. There it is.
Like kind of a strange place for somebody walking a dog, but
Or it could be a wolf.
Look, there he is.
Look at that.
Hi, T.
oh, he's so pretty. Some stroller de-squeaking.
There, maybe that'll work. So at your local Quick Trip, you can pick up a handy dandy can of WD-40 with the built-in straw
For $9.
for about $9.49. Yep, absolutely. I recommend getting it, before you actually need it. we are back now. That was a nice warm up for the rest of the hiking season, right?
Oh, is that what that was?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Would we call it a warm up? It was just a warm up trail. It literally took us about 15 minutes to get through.
And it's still a little muddy.
Still a little muddy. Yes. See? We went four-wheeling with T. So that's our first trip after being cooped up in the house for about 4 or 5 months. So welcome back outside. We definitely have more to talk about, and we'll do that in the car where it's not so freaking windy. Travel a little ways. We are now here at Target, or as some would call it, Target. As far as the updates go, Emily has some big news.
So, after a lot of work to fix some things, we are now buying a house. Yay! No more renting. We have an accepted offer, and we're kind of just waiting for the underwriting to go on to make sure that we're fully approved for our loan, and if all goes well, we should close on May 27th. Yay!
Yay!
Our own house.
No more living in a crusty apartment.
No more crusty apartment. That's exciting.
Yeah.
So that's our super exciting update. That's where our minds are at right now.
So, as things progress and keep moving forward, we'll definitely be bringing you along for that trip, right?
Oh yeah.
But anyway, yep, that's it. That's it for this video. We will see you next time, and thanks for watching.
Have a
Johnson-ish
Johnson-ish
day.
day.
Johnson-ish day.
If you made it this far, give this video a like. If you like our videos, hit the subscribe button. Also, check that notification bell so you can be notified when our videos come out. You can also find us on Facebook at Johnson Family Times or JFam Times. Either one will get you there. And we will see you in the next one.